my name is Mohita. Today is my first day to make soup. Very first time. I am showing you how to make soup. First we boil 1 cup of water. The 1 cup of water will boil. First, in the second step, we have to shake the cover. Next, we have to cut in some corners. Wait, guys. And next, we have to put it in a bowl. We have to pour it all. Now guys, the water has boiled. Now we'll off the stove and take next we have to take a spoon, guys, and we have to stir it so the powder can melt at the water. We'll add pudina for garnish. Now our soup is ready. Bye guys. Thank you for the Mohita Channel Hobby Classes.